the super duper feature update.
It's super duper duper.
Hide completed task in action
Plans are blowing up. People have wide use cases for them. One of the requests that's come in is to be able to hide the task as you complete them on the action plan. So you can run meetings with them and a whole host of other use cases. It's now done. And I'm going to pass it over to Super Medias to show you how it works.
Hey everybody, I want to take this time and demo an exciting new feature for action plans, and that is the ability to hide completed tasks in your plans. So previously you would have let's say you had an action plan and there were many sections and hundreds of tasks in it maybe. Let's just say we don't want to see the completed tasks anymore. We want to really just drill in on what's left to be done. What is the work to be done? So now by default, you have the ability, by default, this option will be selected, and that is to hide completed tasks. And you can actually configure that selection here. I've turned it off just to show the demo, but by default, this will be selected and completed tasks will just be hidden from the UI. You can still see here that there are 2 of 3 completed. So you know that there are 3 tasks that were in this section, but 2 of them have been completed, and that's why they're hidden from the UI. And what's really cool is if you make the selection here, it's actually respected across all of your action plans when you're using the app. So when you come in and let's just say I want to hide them, let's keep them hidden. And now I want to go view, let's go view a different action plan. This is the same one. Let's go view this action plan. Yep. All right, so now I have more sections and I have 2 different sections that have a task in each that are completed but hidden from the UI. And you can see that the selection is also still configured. What's really cool too is in addition to the fact that you have this option in platform, but you also have the ability to do this inside the Chrome extension, inside of Sidekick. So if I open this action plan in Sidekick, you can see that my selection for, I prefer not to see completed tasks is being respected here. I can also make the change and say, all right, I actually want to see completed tasks. And you can see that in the UI here in the extension, it also respects it as well. So that about sums it up. Sweet.